Hello guys, welcome back. For this video, we will learn about multiplication with negative number. Negative number always be something very difficult to a lot of my students, especially about multiplication. You should practice a lot about this one. For positive number, it's very easy. You want to take 3 times 4. It's very easy for getting the result 12. But how about negative 3 times 4? Negative 3 times 4 is mean negative number multiplied with plus number or positive number. You want to write down negative number inside the bracket for separate the negative number and positive number. For this writing, you also should write down the inside the bracket for plus 4. Sometimes you don't need to write out plus 4, but for teaching in this video, I want to very clear about positive number and negative number. So that's why I put each number inside the bracket with the sign in front of that number. Negative 3 is mean 3 with negative sign in front of 3. Positive 4 is mean 4 with positive number, a positive sign in front of this number. When you got negative number and multiply with positive number, they are different. They are different. Negative number and positive number, they are different. The number at the result will be negative. Negative 12. Another way for understanding more about this one, you will take 3 multiply with negative 4. So for this writing, you have wrong writing because you can see now the multiple and the minus sign stand together. It's not clear. It have to be separate together. So this one have to put it inside the bracket. And for this one, yeah, you can write out like this, plus 3 inside the bracket, but for positive number, you don't need to write out this one. And for this one, you can see you got positive number multiplied to negative number. They are different also. Positive and negative, they are different. So the result also be negative. And the last one, you got negative 3 multiplied with negative 4 inside the bracket. Inside the bracket for clearly each number. Negative times negative, negative times negative. So they are the same. And you have two numbers with same sign. The answer will be positive like this. You can see now, in this case, you got positive and positive, you got positive. And for this case, you got negative and negative, you got positive. If you have two numbers, same sign is mean they are same negative or they are same positive. If you got the same sign number, you will have positive in result. And another way, if you got different number, different sign, positive and negative or negative and positive, you will have negative number in result. Negative number in result. Okay. Another thing for write out the formula of this question, you can write out like this. If you got negative multiply with positive, you will got negative in result. If you have negative times negative, they are the same. That's why you got positive in result. If you have positive times negative, they are different, right? So the result will be negative. And of course, the last one, when you got positive multiply positive, you will got positive in result. If that two number, if these two number are same, the answer will be positive. Same, the result will be positive. If they are different, the result will be negative. Yeah, the same thing for this one. Okay, that is summary table about the multiplication of negative and positive number. Why I have to teach you this one? Because in next video, you will work with another expression with bracket like this. Negative 3 h plus 4 or negative 3 h minus 4, or you got negative 3 4 minus 8. In this video, you will deal with this exercise. Yeah, thank you so much and see you next time. Bye bye.